right? How has this resurgence happened, first of all? How has it helped you? How did it come to you that I want to do it this way? And now, like we were joking in the van, you are a Miss Brand Ambassador of all the brands.
So, see, Sanya, I think what happens is, no, as I grow older, I don't know if you're allowed to abuse on the, you start giving lesser fucks about things as you grow older. So, after a point, I got the chance to, they were after me for a very long time to do YouTube, but I think it has to happen when it happens. So at that point, I had already finished the new script of the movie I want to make, and I
remember
knew that now again I have to wait for another couple of years, and that waiting is very angsty.
Yeah, because it's uncertain, right?
Yeah, so I don't want to get up with uncertainty every day. I've been through that when
you were younger.
When I was younger.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, now I have 1-2 years. Let me try YouTube. It'll keep me busy, and let's see, maybe I'll make some money.
And we had this conversation, you remember? And you said, I'll try now, let's see.
I'll try, banega. And try me, something about it hit, I can't plan it. Something about it hit the bullseye.
Yeah.
Something, whether it was the candidness or the way I speak, or whether it was Dilip and me. The first few times it was only Dilip and me.
Yeah.
And I need that one person that I need to roast or tell him, because that's my personality.
Yeah.
So how I talk to him at home is how I was talking to him. And then it just got a life of its own. And then as we went along, we started realizing, oh, people are liking to see when we go to somebody's house, they're liking to see that also.
Because people like to see the personal space of stars, right?
Yes. And I was very clear, okay, please do not depend on, for me to bring celebrities. If they come, good enough. If they don't come also, the show should do well.
But you know, Farah, one of the things, and I have said this to so many people, you know, you're somebody who's been an extremely successful person at what you did, right? You were a choreographer, then a director, and very, very successful. But you didn't have that qualms कि नहीं मैं उसके घर पे नहीं जाऊंगी कि मैं ये नहीं करूंगी. You were ready to do it.
I am telling you, I feel the show has to work on its own. It should not be reliant on how big. In fact, some of the people that we have shot with unexpectedly are not the biggest stars, and their things have gone viral. So that is why when I tell brands also that you cannot tell me that you will put your brand only for Sania Mirza and Karan Johar and will not put it if it's a TV star or a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Because regardless of every guest is important.
Because that hierarchy you didn't want, and you negated that completely.
Someone just did a research on my YouTube channel, by the way, which I got to read, is how I democratized, made it democratic. That there's a YouTuber also, there's a truck driver also, and there's Sania Mirza, Karan Johar, Kajol, Ajay Devgan also.
Yeah.
And everyone gets equal time.
And there's Dilip